Good morning, students. Welcome to Value Education class. Please take out your book and open page number 38. Unit 8 Grandparents, Our Blessings. Values covered: love, gratitude, respect for the aged. Some people, no matter how old they get, never lose their beauty. They merely move it from their faces into their hearts. Will understand grandparents, will appreciate grandparents, will love and respect grandparents and the aged. Go through the following. Sweta and Sachin's grandparents live with them. Their grandparents are retired from government service. They love Sweta and Sachin very much. When their parents are not at home, the grandparents take care of everything at home. They go out with their grandparents. They watch TV together. Sweta and Sachin get beautiful gifts from their grandparents. Their parents have told them grandparents are the blessing of our family. This has made Sweta and Sachin love their grandparents. Whenever they are out or when they go for their exams in the school, Sweta and Sachin touch their grandparents' feet and get their blessings. When their parents go out, they inform their grandparents and seek their blessings. Some safety tips for grandparents: have sturdy doors with the magic eye and door chain. Connect your house to the neighbors with an alarm bell. Have a handy mobile phone with all the important phone numbers. Have a landline phone connections. Have all the important numbers, emergency numbers like police, fire engine, ambulance, family physicians number, etc. Ensure police verifications of the servant. Dear students, grandparents are the cornerstones of the family. They are the heritage and the wisdom of the family. They instill the most basic moral, spiritual, cultural, aesthetic, and social values in children. They have a very deep emotional bond with grandchildren. They shower blessings and unconditional support and provide care to the grandchildren. Dear students, grandparents are a blessings in the lives of children. With their wisdoms and values, they help in the shaping of their grandchildren into all-round individuals. They assume the role of protectors and ensure that we grandchildren are safe. Dear students, having grandparents around at home means more love and affections for children. Living with grandchildren gives grandparents a sense of purpose in life. They seem to experience a new sense of energy, which in turn makes them feel wanted and cherished. So, let us love our grandparents and take care of them. Let us pledge not to send our grandparents to old age homes. We will conclude this chapter by a small prayer. Dear God, thank you for blessing me with my grandparents. Thank you for their love and support. Dear God, give them good health and long life. Now we will start new chapter, Unit 9, Learning to Appreciate. Values covered: love and respect, gratitude. Every work is important. Any of us will put out more and better ideas if our efforts are appreciated. In this chapter, we'll understand the value of appreciation. Will appreciate the work of helpers at home and school. We'll appreciate the helpers and help them. We'll do activity. Activity 1. Before any discussions begin, give each student a slip of paper. Then ask them to write down the name or names of the helpers who do cleaning of their particular floor of the school building, the classroom, and the bathrooms, and write down one sentence about them on the paper. Yesterday, you went around and did cleaning of your school campus. You realized that it was a difficult work to do daily. Today, you have come to appreciate what a great work your own helpers are doing to keep your classroom and bathrooms clean. They do their job without complaining. They do it so that you have a clean classroom and bathrooms. Have you ever thought of thanking them daily or greeting them daily? Students appreciate them silently. Dear students, appreciation is a fundamental human need in both professional and private life. We want to be appreciated by what we are, what we do, and what we achieve. We all need to know that we are important in others people's lives, and we need to feel that we are appreciated. Appreciation is at the core of all healthy relationship. Dear students, appreciation is the act of giving something or someone their proper value, and everybody has value. Appreciation is a way of letting that persons know what you value. When you express your appreciation for someone, you will not only improve their lives but yours as well. One of the easiest and most effective ways to motivate others is by appreciating them. When you praise or appreciate someone, it indicates that you have recognized their effort. Giving appreciation has a direct impact on result. Dear students, go ahead and thank someone for something they have done for you. It cost you so little, but it might mean the world to the other person. We will conclude this unit by a small prayer. Dear God, thank you for blessing us with our wonderful helpers. They make our stay in the school comfortable. They keep everything clean and neat. Dear God, bless them and their family members. Thank you and have a nice day.